Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage cloud storage with Dropbox, detailed guide step by step clearly. To manage cloud storage with Dropbox, start by creating an account on the Dropbox website. Visit www.dropbox.com. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the home page. Fill out the required information, including your name, email address, and password. After registering, download the Dropbox application on your computer or mobile device. For desktop users, go to the Download section and choose the version compatible with your operating system. Once downloaded, open the installer and follow the prompts to complete the installation. After installation, launch the Dropbox application and log in with your newly created account. Now, familiarize yourself with the interface and layout of the Dropbox application. To upload files, locate the Upload button, usually represented by a cloud icon with an upward arrow. Click on the Upload button, then select the files or folders you want to store in your Dropbox. Alternatively, you can drag and drop files directly into the Dropbox folder on your computer. To create a new folder for better organization, click on New Folder in the Dropbox interface. Name the folder appropriately based on its content for easy retrieval later. Moving files into this new folder can be done by dragging and dropping them or by using the Move option. To share files or folders with others, right-click on the item you want to share. Select the Share option from the context menu. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to share with, and add a message if desired. Choose the permission settings, deciding if they can view or edit the files. Click Send to share access with the specified recipients. To view shared files, navigate to the Shared section in your Dropbox account. This section displays all files and folders that have been shared with you. For additional storage, consider referring friends to Dropbox or upgrading to a paid plan. To check your storage usage, click on your profile icon located at the top right corner. Select Settings, then go to the Plan tab to view your current storage status. Remember to regularly clean up your Dropbox by deleting files you no longer need. You can do this by right-clicking on the file and selecting Delete. Finally, explore Dropbox Paper for collaborative projects and notes. This tool allows you to create and share documents seamlessly with team members. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.